Welcome to Textile TV. Stay with us and enrich your knowledge.
Adhesive Bra. Adhesive bra are stepless and backless. It stays on the body with medical grade adhesive or sticky tape. Bralette Bra. A bralette bra is a lightly structured bra without wires and with few seams. Most people like to wear this bra as sleepwear. Bullet Bra. Bullet bra were the popular in 1950s. The bra was famous for its concentric circles of stitching around the bra cap. Bullet bra is not really worn on a day-to-day basis anymore. Bustiers Bra. It is the modern-day variation of corset. It is extremely supportive, especially for all-day wear. These bras are popular among brides as the undergarments of wedding dress. Contour cuff or t-shirt bra. Contour cuff is the most popular types of bra today. It is popular as t-shirt bra. It consists of seamless, rounded, machine-molded cuffs made from foam. That's why its other name is molded cuff bra. It is a versatile, all-round option for a wide range of sizes